someone else to post our blog on their website, just to, so that the this thing so that the our website gets promoted by the link. Okay, so I gave you one example also yesterday, like best blogs, food blogs. So this is what we learned yesterday. For example, bestfoodblogs.net. Okay, suppose we open this blog. This is a blog, and suppose I ask this blog owner that can you please include my blog in your website. Suppose this is my blog, or this is my blog, anything. So if I ask the website owner that can you include my one of my blogs in your website, and can you display it on your website, then he agrees and says that okay, I will post it on my website. So what will be what will happen? This is our blog. Suppose this is our blog, and we have to include somewhere here the link of our website. So you can see this blue text which you can see, and there is a hand finger button. This shows that there is an anchor text, and this is called as anchor text. Anchor text means that there is some link in this text. Other text is in blue, right? And when you hover over any other text, it does not show any finger button, hand button. Okay, but it is only on this text that it is in blue underline, and there is a hand button that appears when you hover over it. This means that there is some link. Okay, and when you click on this link, or when you click on this anchor text, it will take you to their own website. Okay, see this. So this is what you also have to do. So first of all, you will ask any blogger or anybody in your niche. Niche means the category in which you are doing your business. Okay, so you will ask some blogger or someone, some website owner, that can you please include my blog on your website. If he says yes, I can include, then he will show your blog. Suppose this is our blog, so this blogger will show our blog on their website, and we have to, this is mandatory, that we have to include this anchor text, in which if anybody clicks, that person will land onto our website. Okay, so this is called as guest posting, and this is also done to increase the link juice. Link juice means so that the website gets spread. Whoever is visiting this blogger is very famous. Okay, so many people visit this blog every day. So if our blog is also there on this website, then people are going to read our blog as well. And when people will read, they will definitely click on this link, and when they click on this link, they will land onto our personal website. Okay, like this. Like this. So this is called as guest posting. Okay, we have done this. Next one I told you was you can steal your competitors' backlinks. Stealing backlinks of your competitor means that you can check out on Google what about your competitors, that what keywords are they using. Okay, and the same keywords you can also use in your website. The third one is the forum building. Forum building means that just like forum means like Quora. Okay, any platform where some kind of discussion takes place between the users, some information is shared between the users, that is called as a forum. If you ask some question, someone will give the answer, that is also a forum. So if someone has just like Quora, uh, you must have heard about that platform, Quora, Quora. You must also be using it. So if someone asks some question and you think that you are eligible to answer that question, you can definitely answer the question, and you can include your website's link on that answer. Okay. So if anybody is reading your answer, they will definitely click on your link also, and then therefrom they will land onto your website, thereby promoting your website. Okay. Next one happens to be like skyscraper technique. Skyscraper technique means that the content is already there. Okay, suppose if I say that there is a blog called best account of a chef being a Winnie baby, or something like 10 best ways to lose weight. So if this blog already has 10 best ways to lose weight, we can give we can ask, or we can tell the blogger that I have some more techniques to lose weight. I can offer better content for your website, that is 15 best ways to lose weight in 10 days. Okay. So if you give something extra, some more content, then this blogger will post your content on their website, right? So next one is relevant blog commenting. So relevant blog commenting means, let me open a website. Okay. Suppose I have opened a new website like this. Let me open up some blog. Okay. Let's open this one. And suppose we are reading this blog. Okay. And now through blog commenting means commenting on the blog. So for example, this is a blog, we are reading it, and thereafter at the end of this page we will find some post comments. Okay, post comments. So here we can leave our comment. First of all, uh, this uh, this blog is really insightful and informative. Okay, and then we can attach the link of our website, like www. We can write it in the next line, www dot bbic.com or infinityfree.com, whatever the name of our website is, we can write that name. Okay. So this is, and then you have to post it. So what will happen, whoever is reading this blog, and after reading the blog they are reading the comments, right? So under comments they will definitely find your website name. Okay. So when they find your website name, then they will also click on this website, that means our website. So they will land onto our website. This is how the traffic is increased. Okay. So this is also one of the methods how you can create backlinks. Okay, all these techniques that I have told you are about the backlinks. Now there is one more technique, like I told you yesterday also, reverse image search. Reverse image search means that if anybody is using your personally clicked images, For example, let me, I opened it yesterday also. Uh, let me open it one more time. So for example, Modi and Donald Trump photos, right? So let's go to see, first of all, first image. Let me open it up. Now see here, it says Getty Images, credit Mark Wilson. This means that this image has been clicked by Mark Wilson. So I cannot use this image freely without giving credit to this concerned person. Meaning that image reverse image search means that we will search the images that we have clicked, but other people are using it. Okay, this is our original piece of work, but other people are using it. So we can ask them to either remove that image, like this one. We can ask them to remove this image or to give us due credit, just like they have given. Okay, so they have not, this blog has not removed the image, but they have given the due credit to the photographer. All right, so this is called as reverse image search. This is also very useful thing. So whenever in an image any person reads that credit www.bbic.com, then they will uh, also click on the image, or they will also click on the website name in order to explore more that what is this website all about. Got it? Next one is social profiles. Now, what do you have to do now? Uh, on every social media platform, whether it is Facebook, Instagram, then Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, all these, you have to find out at least 20 social media platforms, and you have to create your accounts on those social media platforms. All right. So what will happen? uh, uh, your account will be created. You have to post regular things, regular content on it. Thereby your account will get promoted. So this is the off page SEO techniques. Now let's turn to the uh, technical SEO. Now what is technical SEO? uh, there are two things among technical SEO. First thing is called as Google Search Console. Okay, and the other one is called as Google Analytics. All right, let me close the other windows. Okay, so Google Search Console, let me click on it, and you can click on Start Now. Similarly, Google, and let me first of all distinguish between the two. What is Google Analytics and what is Google Search Console? All right, so okay, so what is the difference between the two? The difference between the two is that Google Search Console is used to find out that how many whether there is any error in your page, or whether all the pages are indexed properly. Indexing means that whether they are properly appearing on Google or not, whether the Google crawlers are able to view the page and refer them further to other people or not. That is called as Google Search Console. So basically, Google Search Console helps you to look into the health of your website. Okay, what is your backend health of your website? That is that can be tested by the by Google Search Console. Now you can see here there is a website we have opened, http theexpertguide.com. This is one of our clients. So here the performance meter is there. You will always find this graph running. Okay, you can search for any period, right? Usually it happens to be this thing 1 week, and if you want, you can check out full report for any period of time, maybe 1 month, maybe 1 week, or maybe 1 year, or maybe 6 months. All right, so you can see the performance. When the performance means, see here, total website clicks. If I hover over it, this indicates that on Monday 6th of October 2025, total one clicks, only one person clicked on this website. Then moving on October 11th, again one user clicked. Again on 19th and 20th October, one click was there. Moving on further here, Monday December 8th, 5 clients or 5 customers or 5 users clicked on the website. All right, so like this. Then again this was dropped like this. Let me see here. Now you can see on December 27, Saturday, there was no clicks. Nobody clicked on this website. Okay, now indexing means that whether all the pages of our website have been indexed properly or not. See, you can see here 111 not indexed pages. That means there is an error in this website, that there 111 pages, that is 111 pages, are not indexed properly, and only one page is indexed. Okay. Now you can see here experience. Experience means what is the what is the experience of using Core Web Vitals. Here they are recommending you what you can do, and what is good, what is bad, and what you can improve. All the things it will Google Search Console will tell you. Okay, insights, you on the left hand side you can see the insights, performance of last 20 days, 28 days. See, performance of last 3 months. If you want, you can see here for last 3 months, total number of clicks were 21, total impressions were 124. What are impressions? What are CTR? Impressions means how many times this website was recommended to people. Okay, whether they have clicked it or not, whether they have viewed your website or not, that is a different thing. Total impressions means to how many people your website has been recommended. And out of 124 impressions, 21 people clicked. Okay, CTR means click through rate. That means how many people actually clicked through the impressions. Okay, so this is called as click through rate. So here you can see the light blue curve indicates your clicks, and dark blue or purple indicates the impressions. So impressions are more, but clicks are less. But here on December 8th, 5 clicks were there and impressions were 13. Similarly, here on Thursday, December 25, only 1 click was there and impressions were 16. All right. So this is how you can check. URL inspection. So everything you can check. This means simply means that you can check the health of your website, how your website is performing, whether there is any problem in your website or not. So you can check with the help of this thing, Google Search Console. So basically, Google Search Console is the platform, or is one of the Google's product, which helps you to understand and to look into your website's health. If your website health is not good, then you have to do changes accordingly. For example, see here, there have been site maps submitted. Okay, these are success. So you can view anything and everything from right from the right from Google Search Console. Okay, so this is about Google Search Console. Now, if we move on to Google Analytics, let's move on to Google Analytics. Okay, sign in. Let's see if we can. Okay, now see here, there we have another website called jobhubforme.com. So this is another website, and let's see what we can see for this website. So now, what is the difference between, I was talking of Google Search Console, and this is Google Analytics. Both of the products are of the Google only. Now, what is the difference between the two? Google Search Console helps you to understand and to manage the health of your website. Okay, what is going wrong with your website, that you can correct right from here. On the other hand, Google Analytics is a platform of Google, is a product of Google, which helps to understand your customers or your users, your audience. That means how many people uh, how many people viewed your website. Okay, how many people logged into your website, how many people visited which page of your website, how many people purchased goods from your website, and how many people uh, added the product to cart but did not purchase anything from your website. Moreover, it also shows from which country you belong to. Okay, if a user is clicking on your website, or if the user is on your website, then this you can check it from Google Analytics, that how many users are from India, how many users are from US, how many users have clicked uh, from Canada, and so on. Similarly, you can also check how many users have, if it is from India, then how many users are from Chennai, how many users are from Hyderabad, how many users are from Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and so on. Okay. So this is called as demography. So when you check how many users are clicking on your website or visiting your website, um, uh, and how many users are from which country or which region, that is called as demography. Moreover, in demography, we also include the age bar. That means which age group people are coming to our website more. Okay, whether the people from in the age bracket of 18 to 25 are watching our website, are visiting our website, or people from 25 to 35, 45 are also watching our or visiting our website. So this will, you can come to know about this from this chart. See, active users. So this will also show you how many active users are there. Active users means the people who have currently logged into our website. Such users are called as active users. Currently it is showing 0 because there is no user logged in to our website. Then event count. Then you have key events, and then you have new users. So everything about the users you can find here. Okay, in last 7 days, previous period, peer median, and range. Now moreover, let's move ahead and see something more. View real time. So here, see here, I was talking of country. So here, active users per minute, they will show active users in last 30 minutes. So how many users have been active on your website in last 30 minutes? It will show this number will keep on changing. If people usually frequently visit your website, then it will show the number 5, 10, 50, 100, whatever. So how many people in every 30 minutes are visiting your website, the number will be shown over here. Okay, now country. Country means which country people are visiting, how what is the country of your audience. Okay, suppose you are from US, then it will show your country, that 5 active users from US. Okay, 100 active users, and then here it will show India. So here it will show active users, and here it will show the country from which country the user uh, is visiting our website. I hope that is clear to you. Now, okay, so under reports, we have real-time overview, real-time pages, acquisitions, engagement, everything we can view. Okay, let's see engagement. So engagement here, nobody is engaged at the moment. Engagement means how many people are sharing this website, or sending some messages to us, or any other thing. Okay, or maybe commenting on our website. So all such things are called as engagement. That means the people or the audience is engaged with our website in some or the other way. Okay, so this is at present it is 0. Okay, now events are the are some of the milestones, you can say, or some specific events, like some occasions, special occasions. If you have created an ad on some specific occasion, then that event will appear over here. Okay, how many visitors visited your website on that particular event. Okay, then landing page and page and screens. So landing page means that if you have created an advertisement for social media, and you have clicked you have inserted a link, which is a landing page link. Landing page basically means that where the user will land if it clicks on the link. Okay, that is called as landing page. All right, so if you have given in your ad some link and user clicks on that link, and they will land onto your website. So how many people have landed on the landing page, this data will be shown over here. Then monetization. Monetization means it is basically related to the e-commerce business. Okay. Now see here, monetization. Monetization overview, e-commerce purchases, purchase journey, checkout journey. So let me tell you each one of them. Overview. Overview, monetization overview means how much revenue you have earned by selling your product. Suppose if you are selling something, if you have an e-commerce website of your own and you are selling something, then how much revenue have you earned today? Or maybe you can change the period. For example, there here the data will be shown for last 28 days. But if you want, you can change the data for today. So it will show you, let's apply it, and it will show you only data for today. That means how much revenue you have earned today. Okay, so so total revenue, then this is your purchase revenue. Purchase revenue means how many people have actually purchased from you. Okay, sometimes it may so happen that some people add the products to their cart, but they do not actually buy the product from your website. They go away. Maybe they have got they have got the product somewhere cheaper, somewhere else in a cheaper price, so they are not buying it, or they have changed their mood that let's not buy it now, we will buy it later. Okay, so actually how many people have bought products from you, that is called as purchase revenue. And total ad revenue indicates that the how many people have clicked through your ads. Maybe Google ads. Suppose if you are running Google ads, okay, so from Google ads how many people have come to your website through your Google ads. Or maybe if you are running a social media advertisement like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, then how many people have come to you or to your website through Instagram ads. That is called as total ad revenue. Okay, revenues through ad, and this is purchase revenue. Okay, then this is the overview, and then e-commerce purchase. So this will show you the data of purchase of the particular items. If you have many items, then you have to either add the filter, what product are you looking for what product you want to know the purchase history. Okay, or you can write the name right over here. So it will show you item viewed by the items viewed by the item name over the time. That means how many people have viewed and purchased. Let me scroll down. Okay, so you can see here there is if you can click down, then you can find because if your website is linked to Google Analytics, then your items will automatically fetch your items from your website. Okay, you don't need to separately insert or write the item names. It will automatically fetch from your website if your website is connected with the Google Analytics. Okay, so all the items will start appearing over here. Okay, now what will happen? This is the item name for which item you want to know. Suppose item, whether you want to know through item name or item ID, or that means code, or through category, or through variants. That means suppose there are there is a t-shirt which comes in uh, maybe red, white and blue color, or maybe there is a t-shirt which comes in a small XL, large, and S, M, L, double XL, these kind of sizes it comes. So what is the variant that you want to know? Suppose I want to know that how many t-shirts of XL size have been sold. So I can click on item variant, and then it will start showing me the statistics. That is, it will show me the items viewed, how many XL t-shirts have been viewed, how many have been added to cart, how many items have been purchased, and what is the total revenue that we have earned. Purchased means actually sold. How many t-shirts have been sold of XL size? Got it? So this is called as e-commerce purchase. Monetization is basically the e-commerce related. If you have e-commerce website, only then this part is relevant to you. If you don't have an e-commerce website, then this part is not relevant to you. Okay. Next. So I hope this is quite clear to you. So this will, the upper portion will simply show you the graph. Okay. And you can change the date, week or month. If you want to see for the day, you can click on day. If you want to see for the week, that in this particular week how many items were purchased of this particular, or if you want to check out for the month, then it can show you the, display you the data for the month. Okay, so that why is it important? Because you have to maintain the inventory, because for inventory management you have to look into all these things. How will you buy the product if you don't know how much products have been sold, or how many products have not been sold? Okay, accordingly you will place the order for repurchase. Now here also you can see how many people have viewed your item, how many people have added to cart, and how many people have actually purchased, and what is the value in terms of INR. Okay, so the difference between them is that it may so happen that that 50 people added the product to cart, 100 people viewed, 50 people added the product to cart, and only 10 people purchased it. Now what will happen? How is this data useful to us? The data is useful to us because now if we are going to plan our strategies for the further marketing, then we will consider these people who have purchased, that is good, but who have not purchased but added to cart, we will consider these people, and we will ask them, we will push them to sales. Like we will ask them that you have added some product to cart but did not purchase it, we are now offering you 10% extra discount, buy it now. Okay, something like that. We will offer them more discount so that they can purchase the product now which they have left in the cart before. All right, so I hope this part is clear to you. Next one is purchase journey. Purchase journey means how the user have been, what has been the journey of the user in buying the product. For example, this is session 1, session start. Session start means that when user first lands on our website, that is called as session start. Okay. Then after, we have to look deeply into the thing that how much time he has viewed the session. Then after starting on or landing on our website, how many products has he view products. So that means some person has, let's take an example of Amazon. So suppose we click on Amazon website. So this is called as session start. Okay. Let me open the Amazon website, and then let's open the Amazon, and then we'll check out the products. Okay. So let's open some electronic products. Okay. So here we are with some watches and these things. So when we have logged on to Amazon, this is called as session start. Okay. After logging in to Amazon, we are viewing the products. Let's see, we are viewing these products. Okay. Viewing. We are viewing products. And uh, suppose uh, I want suppose this watch. Okay, let's just, for an example, I'm taking it. Let's click on this watch. That means I am viewing this product. Okay. So this is this stage, view product stage. Got it? Now, third one is add to cart. Now, suppose I like this product and I have added it to cart. Say add to cart. Got it? So I have added, see here on the top, one product in cart. So this is this stage. Now, begin checkout. That means if I proceed to check out, proceed to buy, means that I'm going to check this product, or I'm going to buy this product very soon. Okay. If I click on this proceed to buy, then it will ask me name, address, phone number, and all that thing, where I want to get it delivered, and so on. Okay. So this is checkout. And finally, when I make the payments, or when I choose COD option, cash on delivery option, then, and finally the order is placed, then it is called as purchase. Got it? So this is the journey of a person while viewing a product, while buying a product. Okay. So our journey as a customer starts from session start. We log on to any website, say Amazon. Okay. Then we view the products. Maybe we may view one product, or maybe we are viewing many products, because it is usually we usually buy only one product at a time. So viewing product means what product are you currently viewing, and then you have added it to cart. Then you begin to check out. Once you have shortlisted all the products that you want to buy, then you begin to check out. Okay. Checkout means that you are filling your address, name, and you are making the payments through UPI or online payments, or maybe cash on delivery. And when the final order is placed, that is called as purchase. So this is called as purchase journey, how the purchase takes place. Next one is checkout journey. Checkout journey means that how the checkout takes place. First of all, begin checkout, add shipping. So you also have to add the shipping method in some cases. Then add payment method. So this, you don't have to add anything in this. You can only view it. That means, suppose we are the owner of Amazon website. So everything will appear right over here. Okay, everything will appear right over here, that any user has begun to check out. Then he has added shipping method. Then he has added the payment through UPI or online payment, any other online net banking payment, or check any other thing, cash on delivery. And then finally he has purchased the product. So this is called as a purchase funnel or checkout funnel. Okay, funnel means how the the journey starts from checkout and ends on the purchase of the product. Okay, then promotions. Promotions means that if you are promoting your product somewhere, if you have started some advertisements somewhere, then it will appear over here, that how many people have seen your ad, how many people have see item viewed in promotions, item clicked in promotions. So how many people have viewed your product through ad, how many people have come to your website through the advertisement that you are running. Okay, then this is the item clicked in promotions. That means how many people have clicked your ad, then how many people have added the product to cart, and so on. And finally, item revenue. So how much have you earned from this uh, particular product? Okay, so, and how much have you earned through the promotions? So for example, I ran an ad of say 1 lakh rupees. Now say various people have come to my website and purchased products from it, and I earned a revenue of 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so this 5 lakh rupees will appear over here. This is what is called as promotions. So that means the simple funda is that the it will Google Analytics shows it is a relation between your website and your customer, right? While Google Search Console is the relationship between your website and its health. It checks out the health of your website, while Google Analytics analyzes your customers. Okay. Next, after promotion is the transactions. Transactions means how many transactions have taken place and what is the transaction ID. For example, whenever you make payments through UPI, okay, whenever you are making any payment to anybody through UPI, then it shows you the transaction ID at the bottom. Okay, so so this also, whenever anybody is making online payments, because we are, suppose we are an online platform, or we are an online e-commerce platform, and people are making online transactions, so this transaction ID will appear over here. Okay, e-commerce purchase, how what has he purchased, how many items has he purchased, and what is the value of the items. So everything will appear right over here. Got it? So this why this is important, because sometimes some user says that I have made the payment, but uh, but the product has not been added to cart or something like that. They are complaining about the transaction, that I have not received any notification about the payment or something like that. Okay, so we can check out right over here that what is your transaction ID, and then we can approve it manually. Okay, so simply, the simple thing is that we can only view, we cannot make any changes over here. This platform, that is Google Analytics, is only to analyze, to only see, check. There you cannot make any changes in it. Okay, you cannot write anything on it, you cannot delete anything from it. Okay, it is only to view window. And next is retention. Retention means how many users are returning back, or how many users are the repeat customers. Okay, so here you will see the data of new users, and here you will see the data for returning users. Okay, so if any user is purchasing from our website repeatedly, then you can this will show that this is a repeat user or a return customer. All right, so this is how this data will be shown. And this explore you can explore like this. You can explore anything. You can create a blank form. You can create free forms. Okay, you can explore funnel exploration, and so on. So for example, if I click on funnel exploration, okay, so this means that funnel exploration will show you what has been the journey. For example, uh, when did the user first opened? Okay, then second is when did the user started the session? When did the user viewed the page, particular page or particular screen? And when did the viewer purchase the product? Okay, so this will show you the steps or the funnel. So this is called as a funnel. And lastly is the advertising. Not every option is of your use minded, that it is not like that you have to use all the options. No, it will be completely based on your nature of your business. Okay, what is the nature of your business, and then based on that you have to use the options. Now here in the advertisements, you can find the ads that you have linked. So for example, we have already 2 accounts linked, okay, to Google Ads. So if you are running Google Ads, then here you will get the snapshot of how much traffic you are getting from the Google Ads. Okay, this is called as advertising snapshot. If you are running Google Ads, then how much traffic you have gained from Google Ads, how many people are visiting your website through Google Ads, how many people are purchasing from your website through Google Ads, and so on. So this is called as advertising snapshot. So everything about the advertisements that you are running already, it will show the analysis of the whole advertising section. So this is about analytics. Again, I'm telling you, analytics is for the customers. That means if I am a website owner, then I can view here how many customers are, how many users or customers are viewing my website, how many have visited my website, how many, if I am an e-commerce website owner, then how many people have purchased from my website, and so on. What is the age group, what is the occupation, what is the country, what is the region of the people, everything can be displayed over here. You will find all the relevant details over here. Okay, so similarly, reports, on if you go on reports, you will find all the reports. all the reports. User behavior, how the user is behaving, whether it is actually purchasing or not, sales and revenue, marketing performance. If you have run an ad, then how your ad is performing. So everything can be, you can also create a report, and you can also find your report right here. If you want, you can view a template. So here it is. Let's view the marketing template. So click on it, preview template, and here it is. So active users, new users, average engagement time, and then sessions. Okay. Minded that you cannot make any changes in this. You cannot type or you cannot write anything. You cannot delete anything from this. This is an auto-generated report. Okay. For example, if you are a customer of the bank, any of the bank, then you cannot, or any of the bank employees cannot enter or delete any transaction of the customer. Okay. So they have to, they can only view, you can also only view your transaction. If the bank sends you the report, you can only view it. You cannot delete or enter any new transaction. Okay. Similarly, here also in Google Analytics, you can only view the transaction happening on your website. Okay. What is the status? What is the report of your website? So that you can see over here. Got it? So, and also about Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a platform, is a product of Google itself, where you can find out and you can ensure the good health of your business or your website. So here you can see that whether all the pages are getting indexed or not. Pages, sitemaps, removals, all you can find out over here. Okay. If you want, see, suppose what will happen. So if you want to add a new page, this is a website. Suppose this is a website. Let me open this website. Control C and Control V. This is a very raw website actually. I don't know whether it is actually working or not. Oh, I think it is not working properly. Okay, no problem. So if you want to add any new page, and if you want to bring it to the notice of the Google that we have added a new page, and you want to index that page to the Google, then this is the website name. We have, this is our website, and / you have to write the enter the name. For example, like this: America blog / sitemap.xml. Okay, so you have to like blogs, okay, / sitemap.xml. The extension of sitemap is .xml. All right, you have to take it into consideration whenever you are you are giving any page for indexing. You have to create a sitemap. So sitemap means giving instruction to the Google that we have created a new page and we want to index it on the website. So just this is your website name. Then / you just have to write the name of the page that you want to index. This is a blog page. Then / sitemap.xml. This is mandatory. Sitemap.xml. This you have to mandatorily write at the end of each page or each blog or anything that you are trying to index. And then you have to submit it. So it will get submitted. Just like you can see here at the bottom, at the end of each page, it is written sitemap.xml. See, WP sitemap.xml post, sitemap XML, right? Everything. So pages.sitemap.xml. So this is called as sitemap. Okay. So this is it for today. I think you have understood what is Google Search Console, what does it do, and what is Google Analytics. Both are the products of Google, but their work is different. Basically, it works for internal website and it works for external users. Basically, this is for customers, to view the customers, and this is for our backend, that what is the health of our website. So this is it for today. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the next class. All right. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Thank you, Adarsh.